Ingredients: steaks of your choice, ribeye, NY strip, filet mignon, etc. Salt and pepper. Butter or olive oil for pan searing. Fresh thyme or rosemary, optional garlic, optional instructions. Take steaks out of fridge and let sit at room temperature for 30 minutes before cooking. Pat dry with paper towels. Season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a cast iron skillet or grill pan over high heat until very hot. Add just enough butter or olive oil to lightly coat the pan. When pan is smoking hot, add steaks. For medium rare, cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Cook 5 to 6 minutes per side for medium. Flip only once during cooking. Add a knob of butter, garlic, and herbs to pan during last 1 to 2 minutes of cooking. Tilt pan and spoon melted butter or steaks to baste. Remove steaks from pan and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. The steak will continue cooking a bit more as it rests. Optionally, make a pan sauce, deglaze pan with wine or broth, scraping up brown bits. Reduce to desired consistency. Serve steaks with your choice of sides and enjoy. Let me know if you need a recipe for any specific steak dish.